1inch is a DEX, decentralized trade aggregator that professes to empower quick, rewarding and secure tasks in the DeFi, decentralized finance, space by steering and interfacing actually various driving DEs as one. 1inch by and large is the symbolic that drives the 1inch organization, biological system. It works with kind of numerous tokenomics, and fills in as an administration and utility token too. 2 years after their send-off, their tokens end up recorded on north of 50 trades, and really stand out with the rising prominence of DeFi. Yet, 1inch is still moderately new in an always developing business sector. What precisely certainly is it, and how much potential does it have? Has it balanced out at a legitimate cost, or does it still, all things considered, have space to develop? Underneath we really investigate 1inch and fundamentally inspect a few subtleties as well as expectations to gauge a sensible cost for 2022, as well concerning the impending years. It ought to be noticed that while value expectations depend on information, and frequently are examined by man-made intelligence, they ought to never be taken as monetary counsel or a strong reason for a venture. It in a real sense is in every case enthusiastically suggested clients do their own examination into the undertakings whose tokens they wish to put resources into, which is very huge. 1inch symbolic value forecast. The genuinely entire crypto world explicitly is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its unsurpassed high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion, and US took care of rate builds, which is very huge. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional entirely steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and consequently the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the truly second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to basically find a nearby base before we can move the other way and in every practical sense, alter the course, or so they thought. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to explicitly do likewise. We especially have seen this situation many times in the removed and in every way that really matters, later history. Our cost expectation model for the most part is negative for the really next 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and in every practical sense, other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and essential evaluation of each venture. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other fundamentally restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Minus 0.43%, $0.6148. October 2, 2022. Plus 1.51%, $0.6267, which is very critical. October 3, 2022. Plus 3.32%, $0.6379. October 4, 2022. Minus 4.60%, $0.5890. Or so they in a real sense thought. October 5, 2022. Minus 0.47%, $0.6145. October 6, 2022. Minus 4.73%, $0.5882 in an unobtrusive manner. October 7, 2022. Minus 5.64%, $0.5826. October 8, 2022. Minus 1.19%, $0.6100. October 9, 2022. Minus 0.65%, $0.6134. 1inch symbolic value expectation 2022. 2022 October in a significant manner. Minus 10.27%, $0. 5540. 2022 November minus 29.94%, $0. 4326, 2022 December minus 19.70% $0. 4958, 2023 January minus 9.26% $0. 5602, 2023 February, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Minus 0.19% $0. 6162, 2023 Blemish. Plus 2.49% $0. 6328, 2023 April plus 13.65% $0. 7017, 2023 May. Plus 17.36% $0. 7246, 2023 June plus 27.21% $0. 7854, 2023 July, which is very critical. Plus 41.49% $0. 8736, 2023 August plus 38.42% $0. 8546, 2023 September plus 56.00% $0.9631 1 INCH value forecast 2025. Our forecast model sees 1 INCH coming to $1.53 in 2025 in a significant manner. What will 1 INCH be worth in 5 years in an unpretentious way? The cost of 1 INCH in 5 years could lie around $1.47. 1-inch symbolic value forecast 2030 to 2040. What 1-inch organization will be truly worth in 2030? Our anticipating model sees 1-inch organization coming to $3.82 in 2030, in opposition to prevalent thinking. What 1-inch organization will be worth in 2040 in a significant manner? Our anticipating model sees 1-inch organization coming to $7.64 in 2040, which by and large is genuinely huge. Will 1-inch organization especially supplant, sort of outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, 1-inch organization won't supplant or surpass BTC. Could 1-inch organization at any point reach $10? Indeed, 1-inch organization could reach $10 toward 2022 in a for the most part significant manner's end. Might 1-inch organization at any point reach $1,000? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for 1-inch organization to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period in an unobtrusive manner. Is 1-inch organization for the most part worth purchasing? We are promoters of decently unsafe money management. In every practical sense, put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a bushel of enormous cap coins and the rest in little tasks with gigantic potential gain. Thus, in this specific situation, 1-inch organization merits